Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get karma on Reddit. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your account on Reddit and engage with the community that you joined. So here you can see you have an option to comment, share, like, and basically you need to engage in the community. So here you can see that comments, you simply need to comment here that, so let me comment wow. So basically you need to engage on the Reddit, and once you start engaging, you simply need to do likes, you can do the save as well, you can share, and basically you need to perform different actions. And once that actions will compile up, your karma will start building up. So you can see that currently I have one karma. So this is a simple process by which you can get karma on Reddit. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.